Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. As you can tell by my voice, I'm a bit sick. I got COVID right now, so that's why my voice sounds a bit weird. But regardless of that, let's focus on this week's video. So I want to talk about cloud links and stacking. Before I talk about the cloud links themselves, let me first show you a few examples. So cloud links are links from cloud web services. So for example, from Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure's Cloud, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud. There's a bunch of these cloud services that allow you to have links on there. And here are a couple of examples. So this one is from Google Cloud. As you can see, it's a full HTML page where you can write whatever you want and link out to your website. You can also add an image. Here's one from Amazon Web Services, Amazon Cloud. Again, a link back to your site. We can see it is, in fact, a do follow link. Then this one is from Microsoft Azure's Cloud. As you can see, it's a full HTML editor. It allows you to add an image, links, bold text. This one is from IBM Cloud, so IBM's Cloud. This one is from Backlinks, again, HTML editor. This one's from Bitbucket. This one's from GitHub. And this one is from Netlify, okay? So all these you see here are the ones I have here as examples. And let us just double check here the metrics. As you can see, the domain authority is high and the page authority starts at 41. So you're getting a link, a do follow link from an indexable URL, which has a page authority starting at 41, which you can then manipulate to higher values. And let's just double check the one from Google, and I'll move on to the slides after this. As you can see, again, DA93, PA43, super high.